Hi everybody, Happy New Year. Today we're going to take a look back at 2023, review everything that has happened this year, and we're also going to look forward into 2024 and discuss some of the plans that I have in store. I started my channel almost 3 years ago now, and it's so fun to see how it's evolved and how far it's come. I started off in 2021 with just my cell phone, puttering around the kitchen and the garden, and was having so much fun. And then the end of 2022, the beginning of 2023, my husband started helping me film. We actually started using a camera and kind of premeditating and planning our content a little bit more. And you can see the huge jump in quality right there at the beginning of 2023. And also the growth of the Pinch of Patience audience just really spiked. A couple of my meat curing videos really took off, and we just had such incredible growth in this year. Bunch of great meat curing content, some herbal medicine, other food preservation methods, gardening, a nice, I think, broad spectrum of content, and just a really fun year making these videos. We also got to see quite a few different kitchens over this year. We moved, and so there were, I think, 3 different kitchens, maybe even 4 during the year of 2023. The channel grew from 28 subscribers up to 50,000 subscribers in the year 2023, which is just mind-boggling. It still is surreal. I cannot believe the growth that this year has brought. Speaking of that super incredible milestone, I am gonna do a celebratory giveaway, so stay tuned until the end of the video for details on that. This channel is really focused on a healthy, slow, more holistic lifestyle, learning to do things for ourselves, growing our own food and learning how to preserve that own food, a little bit of self-sufficiency, opting out of some of the big mainstream systems. So going forward into 2024, we'll still be sharing a lot of wonderful recipes. I hope to do some more kind of off the beaten path, nose to tail recipes. I also really want to put together an in-depth sourdough bread course for you guys. And then more food preservation. So exploring different old-fashioned methods of food preservation, of course, some more meat curing, especially fish is still at the top of my list of things that I need to do a video for. I'm so excited to continue to grow this community with you guys about these topics and expand into some new territories. So with that in mind, I'm excited to share some of my 2024 plans with you guys. You guys have seen me in quite a few different kitchens over the last couple years, but hopefully this one is here to stay for quite a while. It is gonna get a little bit of a makeover, hopefully soon. I have paint purchased for the cabinets, we have countertops ordered, so you'll be seeing a kitchen renovation soon. In 2023, I had the pleasure of having 2 guests on the channel. Karina made cheese with me in the summer, and then my dad recently was on to show us how to make pickled eggs. So in 2024, I would really love to have some more guests on the channel to teach us their skills. And I'd also like to do some homestead and farm tours and just see some different places. If you have a homestead or farm that you would love to share with the channel, or a special skill that you think could benefit us all, visit apinchofpatience.com, send me an email, and we'll see if we can set something up. I'm also going to still be gardening. I'm not the world's greatest gardener, and we don't have a really well-established garden at this property yet, but it's something I will keep working on and sharing updates with you guys on. So I've got my flock of laying hens, and I also added ducks this last year. And I'll definitely be doing updates on how the Muscovies do as far as meat production, but I also want to try adding broiler chickens for meat production. I've never actually done broilers before, but I want to give it a shot this year. I think I want to start with about 50 and see if I can do all of our family's chicken needs. I'm also wanting to add sheep. I'm really thinking dairy sheep, specifically maybe high percentage East Frisian. I'm really excited about that. I could go on and on, so stay tuned. There will be dairy sheep updates. Also, of course, we have outside projects we want to do. We want to put in more fruit trees, some berry bushes. We want to improve the little pasture that we have and also do soil improvement up on our hillside. And then big projects, if we have funds and time, we would love to put in a root cellar and a pretty sizable greenhouse. So if funds and time permit, those would be some big projects coming your way, but we'll just see what we get to. We do everything kind of DIY and out of pocket, so. I'm also trying to rework my schedule a little bit so I'm not dealing with computers and technical issues over my weekend. So I'm gonna start posting videos on Fridays. The next video after this one is going to air on January 12th. And now for the fun details about the promised 50,000 celebratory giveaway. I have a couple things that I want to share with you guys. And first of all, I want to just say thank you so much for choosing to subscribe and being here on the channel with me. I've had such a wonderful time connecting with you guys in the comments and just getting to know some of you better. So thank you for being here and making this all possible. I want to give, first off, a $50 gift card to my storefront, apinchofpatience.com. I've got hats, mugs, totes, a bunch of cute things that I personally designed that I think you guys will enjoy. And then I also want to share a $50 gift card to one of my favorite places, and I'd like to give you guys some options to choose from. Either Azure Standard, Quail Seeds, Rare Seeds, or Mountain Rose Herbs. And if you're outside the US, that would limit you to Rare Seeds, but they're awesome, and I hope that you guys will enjoy that. All you need to do to enter this giveaway is sign up for my email list. And I promise I'm a terrible correspondent. I don't email very frequently, but I do try to give a monthly update. And if there's ever anything new and exciting or some kind of technical mishap, I send out an email through that list. But I promise I'm not gonna be spamming you. It's very minimal emails, and you can sign up easily. There's a link in the pinned comment in the description of this video. There's also a really easy contact tab on apinchofpatience.com, and there's an automatic pop-up when you visit apinchofpatience.com. So you can sign up either of those ways, and I'll just be selecting a random person off of that email list with one of those computer generator random thingies. I will choose a winner for this giveaway on Friday, January 12th, 2024. So on that day, make sure you're checking your emails. And of course, right when you sign up, make sure that my emails aren't going straight to spam so that you don't miss out on the notification to find out if you're a winner. Remember, you can always unsubscribe from the email list. Super easy. There's a button right at the bottom of the emails. So no pressure. Okay, thank you guys once again so much, everybody who has subscribed and who has been joining along on this awesome journey. Let me know what you think in the comments. What are your projects that you're looking most forward to seeing? Or do you have an idea that you'd like to see me covered that I didn't even mention? Let me know. I love to hear from you guys, and I'll see you next time.